Dear students, welcome you all to session 50 of chapter Pricing of Material Issues, Cost and Management Accounting, third semester BCom of Mangalore University. Session 50 is about the preparation of stores ledger using first in, first out method, FIFO method. It's a simple problem wherein the opening balance, receipts and issues are given. The following is an extract of the record of receipts and issues of a material during January 2019. Prepare stores ledger using FIFO method. January 1st, opening balance 200 units at rupees 4 per unit. January 2nd, received 500 units at rupees 5 per unit. January 5th, issued to Department A 250 units. January 10th, received 300 units at rupees 6 per unit. January 15, issued to Department B 300 units. January 20th, received 100 units at rupees 7. January 25th, issued 150 units. This is a simple problem of preparation of stores ledger using the first in, first out method without any adjustments. Now we can see the stores ledger under the FIFO method. So we have different columns here: date, receipts, issues and balance. So in receipts we have goods received note number, quantity, rate, amount, and issue column we have material requisition number or the store's requisition number, quantity, rate and amount, and balance, quantity, rate and amount. Now the first January 1st, opening balance 200 units at rupees 4 per unit. So here date we record January 1st and in the balance column 200 units quantity, rate is 4 and the amount rupees 800. 200 multiplied with 4, amount is 800. January 2nd, received 500 units at rupees 5 per unit. So January 2nd, in receipts column, we are recording 500 units in quantity, rate 5 and the amount 2500. Now the balance. So we already have 200 units at rupees 4, that is 800 the amount, and now another lot that is 500 at rupees 5, 2500. January 5th, the next transaction is January 5th. We are issuing to Department A 250 units. So 250 units have to be issued. So we have the first lot, we have 200 and in the next lot 500. So we have to take 200 from the first lot, that is first in, first out method. Whichever materials which have come to the stores first will be issued first. So 200 units and 50 units from the next lot will be taken. So you can see here 200 at rupees 4, 800 rupees, and from this 500, 50 units are taken. 50 units at rupees 5, it is 250. Now what is remaining? 200 is completely taken and issued, and from the 500 units, 50 units are taken. So remaining is 450 units at rupees 5, 2250. Now the closing balance amount is 2250 and the quantity of closing balance is 450 because we have issued 500 from this. Now January 10th, received 300 units at rupees 6 per unit. So again we are receiving 300 units at rupees 6, 1800 rupees. Now we are going to record the balance. So we already have 450 units with us at rupees 5, 2250, and the new lot which has arrived will be written next, that is 300 units at rupees 6800. So next we have an issue on January 15th, issued to Department B 300 units. So Department B, we have issued 300 units. It will be issued from the first lot. Now which is the first lot? 450 is the first lot which we have. Now from 450, 300 will be issued. So 300, so the material price will be 5 rupees at 1500. Now what is remaining? From 450, 300 is taken. So remaining is 150 at rupees 5, that is 750 the amount. And we also have another lot, that is 300 units at rupees 6, 1800. January 20th, again we are receiving 100 units at rupees 7. So receipts column, quantity 100, rate 7 and the amount is 700. The balance, so the first lot is 150 at rupees 5, 750. The second lot 300 at rupees 6, 1800. And the third lot, that is the item which you have purchased today, that is January 20, 100 units at rupees 7, 700 rupees. Again, on January 25th, we are issuing 150 units. So, this 150 units will be issued from the first lot, that is first in, first out method. So, 150 will be issued, 150 at rupees 5, rupees 750 rupees. So, what is remaining now? 150 is completely issued, and now we have only 300 units at rupees 6, 1800 and 100 units at rupees 7, 700 rupees. So our closing balance is 300 at rupees 6, 1800 and 100 units at rupees 7, 700 rupees. So the closing stock, when you add 300 plus 100, it is 400 units and the value of the closing stock is 1800 plus 700, 2500. Thank you, students.